I am recording this video because in my Patreon, I was asked about running the codes that I have done in my videos in Intel GPU. So what I have found is that there is now improved support for Intel Arc GPU in Pytorch 2.5. So this has been recently published. So if you can see here that if I go to the Intel section, they will say that there is support for Arc GPUs. And if I go to the Intel client GPU is supported both Windows and Linux. So if I go down here, there is the install section for Windows. And uh, these are the installation sections. So in order to go from the CUDA code that I use into the XPU code, I have found that they have provided samples, so you can actually replace only the CUDA part with XPU. So 2 CUDA into 2 XPU, and your code should run. So after installing it, you should first check that if XPU is working correctly. And another thing I have found is that there is autocast. So in order to move the model all of it into GPU, you can autocast to XPU. There is also code for autocast into CPU for Intel extension for Python. So as you can see here, actually you can autocast to CPU for Intel extension for Python. But since for GPU, you can use this for going into XPU. And there is another project called ZLUDA, ZLUDA, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It also supports running non-CUDA non-CUDA GPUs. So you can look into that. So now, if I go to the code, for example, this one, here, there is option for GPU in here, like device. So it is set to auto. You can try with auto to after installing XPU to see that if it is working correctly. In case it is not working, you could try something like using the autocast. So copying the autocast and doing something like this. Move the model inside the context. So you can set the XPU here, and for the device, you can. I don't know if you can actually skip it. So you could try deleting it. If that does not work, you could set the XPU here, and hopefully the autocast can solve your problem. So for this code, I think this is the only place actually you need to set the device. For this one, for TTS code, you can actually, yeah, as you can see here, all you need to do is autocast here, and the device will be the XPU. Delete this and see if that works. If that does not work, you don't need to do that. You should set directly to XPU here. And I don't think there is any other place you need to set GPU. So this should hopefully solve your problem. So that's all I wanted to record for this